Hello and welcome to the channel. I don't really have time for introductions, but I was going to play obby for you guys today, but the obby I chose has a hacker. As you can see, there's pictures around the whole entire block of the area, and if you can look over here, please, you can see that everyone is on level 1. Now there is a skip button right here, but if you also look at this, the amount for it, hold on, it has to load, but the amount for it is $20, like $20. I'm not paying for that. Well, anyway, I was just on a server that was working, so I decided to join a different one, but as you can see, it's not working. You can hear the sound or something like that. You might want to turn down your volume. You may not be able to hear me, but like, yeah. So maybe we should get out the server and join a different one, or stay in the server and see what happens. Let me turn down my volume. Oh. Wait, my volume was not like this before. It was right here. What the fudge? Who turned up my volume? Bro, my volume is so low. What the heck? If you think this is scary, make sure to subscribe and make sure to like the video. Let's try and reset our character. Let's see. Oh, I forgot. So this game is basically, if you die, then what's it called? Yeah, you get kicked from the experience. Yep, here's the game. Here's the name of the game. So here's what the pictures actually look like. So there's like obbies. So this one is the first obby. But yeah, I don't know. So I decided to just click play. The first time I joined, there was like a huge entire hacker. Like there was a hacker online playing the game and hacking the game. So a lot of us didn't know what to do, but we did stay in the server. See, this is how I started, because I could have turned down my volume yet. As you can see, it was just loading for me, and this was very, very annoying. Like, I don't know what to do. Like, I did not know what to do, because my volume was like all the way up. Like, you can literally see right now that my volume is like down here, but like if I turn it up, it's too loud for me. Like, it's giving me a heart attack right now. So I may call my best friend and see if she can join the game with me, and see if she's having the same problem as me. Because if she is, then this is like somebody's totally hacking the game. Let's just look around for a moment, and let me just look around in the moment, just like try and see if there's any way. Like, so I did this, like I was trying to look, you know how like you can see through walls sometimes because of the hacker. So you can see how I just went over here and I was able to see something. So I looked over here and you saw that. You guys saw that too. But you guys know what's happening, right? Like if you didn't skip it. So I'm gonna call my best friend, see if she can join me, and if she does, I may record. If I don't, my bad. I'll may join with some of my other friends if they feel like it. But I feel like since some of them are pretty younger than me, I don't think they'll be like okay with this, because they may have a panic attack. So I'm gonna call my bestie, ask her if she can get online, and yeah, see you later.